Hello everybody, today we make a pane con olive nere and we got all the ingredients in front of me. And for start, we gotta start with the yeast, and we put the yeast right over here, and I got the water. The water, it's 1.5 cup of water, but we use a little bit for the yeast, and the rest I gotta use for the flour. Okay, now we start with the flour. I got this bowl over here, and I got the spoon, and with the bowl we put the flour right over here. Now I got the salt and powdered garlic, and we put right there. And I got the rosemary and thyme, and now I want to start with the yeast. And what I do, I mix a little bit with a spoon. And we put it right inside. And now we got oil. And we got to start the mix. We use water. The water, it's a little warm. Same thing with the yeast. When you put the yeast for the melt everything, you gotta be the water a little warm. Okay, you gotta mix it really good. Okay, look like I need a little bit more water. Not too much. Okay. Oh, it look good. It look really good. I wet a little bit in my hand. That's enough. All right, now what I want to do, I want to put the olives, the mix it together. Okay, and we got it right over here. Let's mix everything together now. Now you gotta mix it really good. You got everything you gotta go in the pasta. Okay. I put a little flour on my board over here. I spread the flour a little bit. And let's put this right over here. I want to mix it now really, really good. It looks good. Now we clean up on my finger like this. The mix. This one, this is to cook. It gotta be so beautiful. This, it's almost done. It look a beautiful look. Make it nice ball like this. Now I got this dish glass, and I like to put a little drop oil on a bottle like that, not too much. Now you take this and you put it right inside, and you make it like little turn like that. And we cover. And now this, you gotta raise, got this, you gotta double them up the size of the bread that I was making. Okay, now let's see. It look a beautiful looking now. It not beautiful, look nice. Okay, now what I gotta do, I gotta use little flour, a little flour on the top like this, and now we put it back right over here. Oh. What I do a little mix to make it nice, like that. Now this you gotta grow again a little bit more, and we put a little flour over here, little flour on the top, but we gotta put inside this over here. Okay. And let's put right inside over here. We cover, make sure the cover is good, like this, and we put it. And this now you gotta stay for half hour. Okay, I got the oven on 470 degrees. Now this is the parts I gotta put the bread. And this parts you gotta go in the oven for 10 minutes. But make sure the parts you put in the oven do not burn, you know, so you got a plastic handle, everything, no put in the oven. Same thing with the cover. And now we put it for 10 minutes, the Dutch oven. Okay. It's 470 degrees for 10 minutes. It's gotta stay. Okay, now this is ready. I gotta open the oven, take the parts out, make sure that this night it's really, really hot. Now we take the bread, take the cover off, the everything, and now this you gotta go on the pots. But make sure when you put on the pots, not burn yourself, please. Good. And now we give a little cut on the top, like this. Okay. Now this I gotta cover. It gotta go in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, now it's 40 minutes, and let's check my bread. I hope it come out good. Oh, it's really hot, this. Oh, it looks so beautiful. And now we gotta put the temperature turn off. Bake 440 degrees. It gotta stay for 30 more minutes. Okay, now it's 30 minutes, and let's check my bread. Oh, look how beautiful it look. Okay, let's close the oven. I don't want to burn it myself. Now, let me see if this I can take it out. Beautiful. I can take out. Wow. Look a nice crust. But this it's really, really hot. Okay, look how beautiful it look. Now, I want to bring on my table over here. And I'm so happy the way it come out. Really, really good. Now, I want to cool off this a little bit. And after I want to cut one piece for me. Okay, now let's see my bread, what it come out. Oh, it's nice, crispy. Oh, look how beautiful, nice, really good. Now, I got some good oil over here. And I want to put on this little dish. Good. I want to dip a little bread inside. I want everybody to make this bread. It's so good, so tasty. A nice cook and crispy. And look at that. Really nice. I want somebody make and let me know what it come out. This one, it come out really, really good. And I want to say to everybody, thank you very much. I'll see you next recipe. Thank you.